Where's Teo? I don't see you. Where did you go? Where's Teo? Oh my goodness, there he is. Where's Teo? There he is. Where's Teo? I don't see you. Where are you? Where did Teo go? Where did Teo go? Where is he? Where is he? I don't see him.
Where's Mateo? Where'd he go? Oh.
Where's Teo? Where's Teo? I don't see you. Where is he? There he is. I lost him again, Soph.
Where'd he go? Mateo, where are you? Peekaboo! There he is. Hi, baby.
What a silly boy. All done.
Now stepping up to the scene from my cousin elementary school is Timothy Hamrido. Wow, look at me.
Gonna read the paper?
It's time for the next portion of the event, brushing. Now here's what the judges will be looking for. Timothy's got to get the toothbrush with the toothpaste into his mouth. Brush.
What you doing?
And he has to do it in that order. All right, he's opening his mouth and here he goes.
Back and forth.